user, this is my app. In today's fast-paced world, ordering apps have become a convenient solution for purchasing food, groceries, and other essentials. However, despite their growing popularity, these apps are not without problems. One of the most common issues users face in order inaccuracy, where the delivered item does not match what was ordered. This leads to frustration, wasted time, and in some cases financial loss for both the customer and the business. The root of this problem often lies in poor communication between the customer, the app interface, and the vendor. Sometimes app glitches cause wrong items to be selected. In other cases, the restaurant may be out of stock but the app still allows order, or delivery instruction may not be clear. These errors ultimately damage the user experience and reduce trust in the platform. To solve this issue, ordering app can implement a multi-layered approach. First, improving the user interface to ensure clear item selection and real-time availability updates in essential. Second, adding confirmation step where users can review their order in detail, because finalizing it can help catch mistakes early. Third, better communication channels between customers, vendors, and delivery staff, such as in-app chat or quick edit features, can greatly reduce misunderstanding. Target user. The app targets individuals aged 18 to 55 who are seeking stress reduction techniques, improved focus, and better mental well-being. Features. These features are crucial for creating a seamless and enjoyable experience for both users and restaurants, contributing to the success of food ordering app.